Hey RVers and future RVers, hot off the presses. Behind me is a 2025 Winnebago Access 30BH. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go give you full access of what this travel trailer is all about. All right, before we get inside this clean looking travel trailer, let's go through some of the cool features on the outside. We all love taking our gear. Big, wide pass-through storage so you can access both sides and get a ton of camping gear in. And while we're up front here, let's talk about it. Winnebago has already laid the groundwork for side cameras. This way it's pre-wired. If you choose to do so, it can easily be installed by us. Talking about ease, Winnebago's already done a lot of push button work for you when you're setting up. You have the tongue jack up front, that's power, and even your stabilizer jacks front and rear. What's that? Pretty easy, right? Just push a button. And you know us, we love patio time. Check out how big this awning is. It has so much coverage that you're gonna be able to have picnic table, camping chairs, and everybody from the loop hanging out at your camper. And patio time isn't anything without entertainment. We have cable hookup, so that way you can get some of your great fun food out and prepared. Fun food. And speaking of the food, you have refrigerator and grill, so that way you can get all that going. So entertainment, food, beverages, big awning, that's major patio time. And again, push buttons for your rear stabilizer jacks. And on the back, again, we love taking a bunch of stuff, don't we, RVers? You have this bunk bed area that you can double up to give you big access to take some of those big key items, bikes, strollers maybe, or big clunky tables and chairs and such. And if that's not enough, talking about maybe bikes, if you don't want to store it in there, you even have a receiver here that you can stow maybe the bikes or get a flat tray and put firewood and a bunch of other stuff. And they've also pre-wired a backup camera. So you got this 30-foot travel trailer, a little uncomfortable with backing up, or maybe don't have a backup buddy at your disposal. There you go. Again, easily we can have that installed for you. And last but not least, a ladder to get up on top. Make sure you check your sealants, check your plastic coverings, and more importantly, it has solar, so that way you can get up there and make sure that's doing its job on a nice sunny day. All right, inside the 2025 Winnebago Access 30BH. It is a budget-friendly build, but it doesn't look like it. Inside, they have tastefully done the decor and made it really super clean. We're gonna start back here with all these doors and things behind me. On the right side here is your full bathroom, and there is nothing budget about this. We have everything that we need. Big shower. Not only do we have the width on both, but we also have the height. And they've given us plenty of storage with a cabinet above, a cabinet below, and even a couple little shelves with the counter space that utilizing on this wall here, and even through in a towel rack. I can't stress enough how many companies don't even put these little items that you definitely love to have, or more importantly, have to go out and spend your time and extra money and do it and install it yourself. The door on the left, this is a bunk bed model. I love that they have this door here to separate the kiddos. Being a parent, man, if I could put the kids inside a door and let them do their thing, a lot of less stress. But these bunk beds are huge. They are double size, if you can see, and they are deep. Each kid has a window, has a light, has electric and 12 volt at the head of the bed, so you can make sure all their devices are fully charged, or they can charge and play at night and kind of settle down. And even a little space for a TV and entertainment area here. That way you can keep them maybe content with some movies at night. Moving into the living area, doors everywhere as far as storage doors. You have, I don't know, maybe pantry or more space to utilize for the kids. You even have storage over here next to the refrigerator with a drawer. And speaking of the refrigerator, huge 12 volt refrigerator, freezer. So definitely, if you're gonna sleep 6, 8, maybe even 10 people in this thing, that's a lot of space to be able to keep all those bellies full. You have cooking space on top here with a 3-burner stove top, and then of course your microwave to get into some of those zap and reheats. Nice angled kitchen area here. You have a deep stainless bowl sink with a lot of recessed counter space behind you with a couple outlets. So I can envision myself throwing the coffee pot back there, maybe a little air fryer or something, and just utilize that and get away from my prep area space. You've got more storage underneath, even a big drawers for your pots and pans. And then all your utensils here easily can stow in some of those drawers. Opposite of your kitchen area is a big, wide, deep slide. And I have to note, no carpet throughout. So man, you can just sweep up and easily clean this thing when you get ready to retire for your weekend camping. 4-person tabletop dinette, so you can easily get a bunch of people here. Big windows, nice dark out shades that are just a pull. And then if you have some kiddos, if those bunk beds aren't enough and they're bringing some friends, you can easily turn this into your bed. Let's check it out. And voila. Our dinette, we usually brought double-sized sheets, a little bit bigger, or the sheets were a little bit bigger than the dinette size, but there you go. If you know a double-sized bed, you could sleep one, maybe two. Definitely has the length here. I'm 6'1", and I'm end to end. Sofa here has a pull-out for your cups, maybe some remotes if you got some TV. But it's a nice, comfortable sofa. Again, budget-friendly build. They didn't sacrifice on, like, I guess the seating, the butt cushion, if you will. And speaking of entertainment, we have the entertainment center here that you can go and get your own size TV and mount up here, throw some movies, throw some other games, things like that. And you have all your cable and satellite TV, if you wish, to as far as your input here. Coming inside the door, we have all our controls. We have our water heater controls, our lights, our awning, our slide out buttons, our tank levels, etc. Again, all in one location makes it real easy to check up on everything. Mom and dad have a nice pocket door for some privacy going into the master bedroom here. And again, storage. Look at all the storage. We have overhead area. We have, I like to call them shirt closets at either side. We have not one, but two, I guess, end tables, counters, if you will. We have electric with also 12 volts, so you can get, that way you can get your charge for your mobile devices, even a drawer at each side. And if that's not enough, it's a cool little idea here, how they split up. You can easily access the storage underneath the bed without having to lift the bed, but at least if you have something big and bulky, you can still slide it in the middle. And this is a full queen bed, so mom and dad easily has a good night's rest. So there you go. What do you think? It's a 2025 Winnebago Access 30BH. So you're thinking about getting in the RV lifestyle, or maybe you're like me and I just don't like to spend a big amount of money on my my toys, if you will, so I can enjoy the outdoor life a little bit more. This is the perfect one. Again, a budget friendly build that gives you a ton of stuff. It looks good and gets you, more importantly, gets you out camping with everybody so you can decompress and enjoy the RV lifestyle. This is the 2025 Winnebago Access 30BH. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, give us your first impressions or maybe some questions that you have. We can dive deeper in there for you and show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. I'll see you at the campsites.